This video is going to be about how to take a blog post and make it an article on LinkedIn. So the first thing we're going to have to do is, number one, make sure that the blog post that we want to turn into an article has not already been used. After a while, you will know what's out there and you won't have to do this step anymore, but for a while you need to be checking. So we're going to use this blog post today, 5 elements of an effective website that attracts your ideal client. So we will come over to LinkedIn. You can go to open my profile, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see articles and activities. We want to click on see all articles, and then we're going to start to do a scroll, just looking for, remember we were looking for, what's the title again? 5 elements of effective website. So we'll just start to scroll down, looking for 5 elements of a website. And I'll just keep scrolling for a bit. Just looking at the titles as they pass. I'm all the way back into 2016, and I still don't see it. What was that? 5 tips working on your business, not in your business. Okay, so I would say that's a no. We have not used the blog post before. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that this blog post has been assigned to Decisive Minds, that Google has indexed it to Decisive Minds. So this is the URL you're going to go to, google.com/webmasters/tools/submit-URL. google.com/webmasters/tools/submit-URL. Now, if you've already done some of the other things that we do at Decisive Minds and put this in some other places, you may have already indexed this as part of one of those processes. If so, then ignore it. If not, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the URL, and you're going to come over to the Search Console, put the URL in, paste the URL in there, say I'm not a robot, submit request, and it tells you that your request has been received and will be processed shortly. So no matter what, we know now that it is going to be indexed by Google, and we can now come back and create the article here on LinkedIn. So we're going to go back to home, and right here you will see write an article. That's where we're going to go and where we're going to start. So what I do is I come over to the blog post. So remember that image, 5 elements in a successful website. And so we're going to add the image there. We're going to put our headline. So we'll go here. We will copy our headline. Go back over to LinkedIn. Control V to paste the headline in. We're going to come down here to add in the content. Just put the cursor next to that box right there. You see if I point there. Excellent. We'll come down here. We will don't pick up the image because we've already put it in. We will grab all of this content. Shoot. Let me try that again. Okay, grab all the content, copy, come back over to LinkedIn, and Control V, puts the content in there. Now, what we want to do is we want to look at whether there is some spaces in here that maybe we can get rid of, right? So, nope. It's kind of spaced out a bit, but that's okay. If there were links, we would be, if if there were links in this post, then we would be making sure that the links were worked. You see here, if we wanted to, an effective website. Let's say that we wanted to link that to Decisive Minds. Apply. Okay, and now that is hyperlinked in the post. Now, you know, just want to make it aesthetically pleasing. So let's say you wanted to add an image in the middle here. You want to add something. What you do, just come to wherever it is that you want to add, and you'll see this, you know, click there, you'll see this box appear. So you open the box, and let's say we want to add an image. I want to upload from the computer. Go to this file. That next one happened to be about social media, so I'll click on this like, share, follow image. And now that image is in the middle of our post. And it looks fantastic, right? Now, we have to pay attention because you see this bottom line here, which was the call to action on the last blog post. Doesn't exactly make sense here because on LinkedIn, the share buttons are above the post. So you want to say, click on one of the share buttons above. So we'll modify that, right? Above, and share this post on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Now it makes sense. We're going to add in one more line that we'll be adding into all of these. Content was originally posted on, and put the website address. And that is it. Okay, so we have here, we can always come back in and add an image up here if we want to. We don't have to. It'll pick this image up. And then we're going to go, I just go to publish. Now, you have to do something in this box. It won't let you not at this point. So you can either type the title again. It's R. About effective website elements that attract your ideal client. So I just moved the words around a little bit. And then I'm going to click on publish. And you can see here now that it is published. We can share it with our other networks to broaden our reach. So we can share on Facebook, we can share on Twitter. If for some reason we needed to come back in and edit this, we can edit the article here, open it and edit whatever we needed to edit on it, okay? And that's it when it comes to publishing a blog post on LinkedIn.